Echium Pininana, one of my favourite plants. A little bit tricky to grow where I live, but every year, because I've had some flowering, they sneak up little plants in the most unexpected of places. Like these two, right inside this cactus. I can recognise these a mile off now. I've been growing these for years. These ones are perfect, just the right size, because quite often they don't like to be repotted. But if you can get them at a nice early stage like this, they're quite easy to move on into bigger pots. And from there they can go into bigger pots, and if you're lucky, you can put them in the ground. So I'm just going to prise this one out using a kitchen knife. Don't tell anybody that I've got a kitchen knife. Being very careful, gently holding those roots. And then I'm going to get the other one. Gently does it. This one's slightly bigger. So we carefully take that out. Try not to touch the stems. If anything, just touch the roots or the leaf. There we go. That's a lovely one. Really healthy. So we'll put that in a little dish ready to put on. Pop them in there. And then off we go to my potting shed. This is just a normal everyday sort of compost that I bought from our local garden centre. I'll just break it up a little bit, take that piece out, we don't want that, and a little bit more. There we go. Like I said, hold them gently by the leaf, not by the stem. And we're going to fill this up with soil. Nestle it in a little bit as you're doing the job, a little bit more soil. And I want to eventually bring the soil level up to just a little bit below the pot, so that when it gets watered it doesn't flow over the top. A little tiny bit more. Then we're going to get our watering can with a little drop of water in and give it a little drink just to start it off, and then that will be that one done. Now I'm going to do exactly the same with plant number 2. I found a place for these in my unheated greenhouse. I'll pop those in there. Mustn't forget to water them through the winter and they should be fine. They don't mind a little tiny bit of frost, not too much at all. And over here is one I potted on about 2 weeks ago. That's really healthy. This is one I've got out the front in its permanent position. It seems to keep a little bit warmer just here by this wall, so they seem to grow through quite nicely. Thanks for watching this latest video, guys. Hope you've enjoyed it. All about pininanas, lovely plants. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time, and bye for now.